Our next speaker is Satoshi Masuda. Masudu?
Masuda.
Masuda.
It's okay.
And the topic of his talk is software testing for enterprise systems in Japan. You're up. You're live. Okay. Your time starts now.
Okay. Hi. My name is Satoshi Masuda from Japan. Thank you for coming. Today, I'm on behalf of the software testing community in Japan. I will talk about STE. STE is software testing for enterprise systems. Okay, so STE is a community, software testing community for discussing about enterprise software testing in enterprise system. Okay, so first of all, I have to explain what is enterprise system. Okay, so we Japanese software engineer we use the generic term enterprise system. For example, that is a banking system and insurance system, and also a human resource system and accounting, the supply chain system. That kind of system is we call the enterprise system. Okay, that is an enterprise system. You may say that is a financial service system or back office system, but we call that kind of system the enterprise system, right? Okay. Okay. So and what the STE is the Japanese software testing community, and then the second point is the why we start the STE, because the software testing is not well known. Let's say the immature in enterprise system area. Okay, so we software engineer with the generic terms are two areas in Japan. Okay, so one area is the enterprise system, and the other side is the embedded system. Embedded system is the some mobile phone or video system and car navigation system. That is electrical product. The Japanese company very good at electrical product. So they are focusing on the quality and productivity and focus for many years. That's why the embedded system is matured software development and software testing. But the other side, enterprise system, the software testing and software development and software testing immature in the enterprise system. That's why we start to discussing about software testing in enterprise system area. Okay, that's the reason why we start the STE. So the third point is the which topics STE will discuss. We discussing about the 3 points. The first topic is the software testing technique. The software testing technique is almost the same, the embedded area and the enterprise area. But the only unique area is the enterprise system. The testing according by the business flow. That is we focus on the testing techniques. And second topic is testing team role models. In Japan, the same team the development the testing software, not divided by a development team and the testing team. So that's why we discuss the role model, the test development and testing. For example, the United States or some European country we divided to testing development and testing. Okay, that is the second point. And the third point is a kind of a business. About company who will provide the software testing services for the enterprise. That is one of the business topics. Okay. So, and last thing is why I came here, CAST 2012. The first objective is to find a case study about this STE area for the enterprise system, software testing in enterprise area. So I found one case study in the yesterday, the context of the banking context changing in the banking system. And the second point is that find the same kind of community for the enterprises. I found already found one community, the STIFS, STIFS, Software Testing in Financial Services, led by Bunny Berger. Okay, so and I talked with Scott Berger, and he told me that we communicated the STE and the STIFS. Okay, and the third objective is to find the talent who can speak that kind of the software testing area in Japan, because I think the United States people are matured to the software testing area in the enterprise system. Okay, that's all. If you any interest in it, please contact this mail address st-group at googlegroups.com. Okay, thank you.
So, a couple questions. Briefly, because I see the term used different ways, different places. Business flow. Do you have a short little definition of what you mean by business flow?
Business flow is the another word, the end-to-end test, from end-to-end test. For example, the user input the data and the report we published somewhere, but start from the business and the end of the business. That is the whole the business flow. There are some the logic in business logic inside many logic that we have to test that logics. Okay.
Okay, so kind of thought that's what it meant. So in your testing, you use the business flows to define test cases? Is that?
Yes, that's right. So okay. So when we developed the test cases for according to the business flow, we have to read the requirement document very carefully, and we how can I say, select the business logic and some other testing case and testing scenario. That is we have some people have a technique for to select the business requirement into the test cases. Then we try to establish some technique to the end-to-end test from the requirement document to the testing business flow testing. Okay.
Thank you. I forgot your name. I'm sorry.
Satoshi.
Santos. Thank you very much. It's a great idea. I am myself in the enterprise testing. It's financial services, but I just realized that it really doesn't matter because the issues and the solutions probably will be the same. So I'll be happy to keep in touch and maybe come up with some case study because we're dealing with the very similar, situation and environment, and it really doesn't matter in which sector, of the industry this enterprise is. Yeah. It's end-to-end between different business units, and how do you define requirements? Because sometimes the business workflows are more than one unit.
Yeah.
Usually it's several different groups.
Yeah.
But thank you.
Yeah, thank you. That's good to know that.
Yeah, I work with Bernie too.
Thank you.
Hajimemashita. Hi.
Konnichiwa.
It's the only Japanese I know, actually, so, but I tried to be polite. It seems to me that if you've got enterprise software up and running in Japan, there is testing going on. There has to be. It's happening because otherwise you would have no awareness of what was happening in the project or not. And when people ask about, well, what would we have to know in order to do really good testing? It seems to me that there's probably a problem that is at the premise, at the root of that question. How do we do testing better? Can you give me some insight into the kind of problems that you're experiencing such that you believe that you need better testing or more testing?
The problem in the enterprise, software testing in the enterprise, that is not technique problem. Some kind of the okay. So talking about the embedded system and emperprise system. Okay, so embedded system is the software. The manager is the engineer. So they understand the software and the techniques and also the process and the other thing, quality and the productivity. And then, but the manager of the enterprise system and the IT department manager comes from the business person. That they think the software only a cost and quality or something. That not technique and not motivating, not something. Okay. So that's why they don't understand the testing. Even some people say, why you test the software? If if you develop the software perfectly, you don't need a test. Okay. That's kind of the discussion in Japan, the enterprise system area. That is a difficulty for us to do.
All right, and we're out of time. Thank you very much.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.